Welcome to Thordata. This video will guide you through the process of configuring Thordata and Morelogin. Navigate to Residential Proxies. Enter your username and password. Select the country and region you will use. Copy the single-string proxy format. Next, go to Morelogin. Click plus New Profile. Here you will see some basic configuration information. Click on Advanced Create. Under the Proxy Type tab, select SOX5. Paste the previously copied proxy format into the Proxy Server field. Scroll down and click Proxy Detection at the bottom. Green text indicates a successful connection test. Click the blue Confirm tab, and you will be redirected to the Profiles page. Click the Start tab on the right to finish.